Hello, today let's discuss inheritance in Java. Inheritance. Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one class acquires all the properties and behaviors of a parent class. Properties and behaviors of a class means nothing but variables and methods of a class. So, inheritance is nothing but deriving a class from another class. The class from which another class is derived is called a base class or superclass, or we can call it as a parent class, and the derived class is called a subclass or a child class. Let's see how to do the inheritance. The extend keyword is used for inheritance in Java. Using the extend keyword indicate the class is derived from an existing class. Syntax for it: class, the name of the child class, and extends keyword, and the name of the base class. And here you can write your body of the derived class. Now let's see the example so that you can understand this concept. So before that, what are the types of the inheritance? Single inheritance. Subclasses inheritance the feature from one superclass. Means what? Suppose this is a class A. It has some variables and methods, properties and behaviors. Now I am extending class B from this. So I am deriving class B from class A. So this is my child class. That means this class B can acquire all the methods and properties of this class A. So this is single inheritance. I can extend one more class, suppose class C from this class A. So all the classes are derived from a single superclass, single parent class. This is called a single inheritance. Now, multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. The multi-level inheritance includes the involvement of at least two or more than two classes. One class inherits the feature from a parent class, and the newly created subclass becomes the base class for another new class. Means what? Suppose this class A is the superclass. This class B derived from this class A means this class B extends class A. Now for this class C, this class B becomes the superclass. Means this class C extends from the class B. So class C is derived from class B. So this class C can acquire all the methods and property of class B also and class A also. This is called a multi-level inheritance. Now always remember that all the members of superclass are available in a subclass, but all are not accessible. Means what? All the members and methods we can acquire in the subclass, but we cannot change its parameters. Now let's understand this inheritance concept with an example. Let's write a program to find volume of a cylinder. Now what is cylinder? Cylinder, it has a base and height. So volume of a cylinder is area of base and into multiply with the height. So what is this base? Base is nothing but circle. Its area is pi r square and this height is h. So how we can use inheritance here? Let's see. First I will write class circle. In this we'll find area of base circle. So properties are radius. I will declare it as a double and type is public. Then one method I will require to calculate the area. So public double area, and it will return pi r square, area of the base circle. Now I will take another class, that is the cylinder. For cylinder class, what I will do? Class cylinder extend circle. Means what? This class cylinder is derived from base class or parent class circle. So this class cylinder can acquire all the properties and method of class circle. That means we can acquire radius and area of this class circle for this cylinder class. In cylinder class, we want to find a volume. So we'll need property height because radius we are taking from the circle. Area also we are taking from the class circle. So here we will require only height, and public double volume method we are using. Here it will return area into height. You can see here area method is not defined in this class. Still it can acquire from the class because of inheritance. So this class cylinder extends class circle means what? We can acquire all the properties of this base class whose name is circle into the cylinder class. So cylinder class is the child class and circle class is parent class here or base class here. Now I will write application class. Name of that class is inheritance test. Here public static void main is the function where we are writing our code. So I will create object of cylinder class. Cylinder reference name is C is equal to new cylinder. So this is the object of this base class. So C dot radius is equal to 7, C dot height is equal to 10. See here object of this cylinder can acquire radius property also, where this radius is the property of circle class. Still we can acquire it with the object of cylinder class. Why? Because cylinder class is extension of circle class. Because of this inheritance, the object of cylinder class can acquire property of circle class also. C dot radius is equal to 7 and C dot height is the property of cylinder class. So you can easily acquire C dot height is equal to 10. Now we will print a volume. So volume is equal to C dot volume. So this is how we can inheritance the properties and methods of one class into the another class using keyword extend. So once you are inheritance the properties of base class, the object of this subclass can acquire all the properties of base class also and subclass also. So this is called the inheritance, acquiring the properties and methods of existing class into the new class. So this is single level inheritance. In the next video, we'll develop same code for single level inheritance. Thank you.